I get some benefits when it comes to travel privileges. This is about the reality of how these benefits work. One time, I was working in South America for 3 weeks. The last day, I got up at 6 a.m., packed my luggage, had breakfast, and then I went to work. I worked until 5 p.m. Then I go directly to check-in. Wait in line until the baggage drop is open for the flight. The flight leaves 9 p.m. I go through security and figure I'll wait to get food and drink on the plane. An hour before departure, there is an announcement that the flight is delayed 2.5 hours. I am tired and get something to eat and drink. I go back to the gate. The agent calls my name 45 minutes before departure, and I am offered first class. Excited that I have a lie flat seat, perhaps I can sleep on the flight. After getting settled, I am offered water or orange juice, and I ask for both. Then I get a tap on my shoulder. The flight attendant asks me if I just had an upgrade. I say yes, and he tells me that an super passenger just arrived and I have to be moved to the back of the aircraft. The flight was supposed to leave 9 p.m. and is delayed 2.5 hours. Everyone should have been checked in by 8:30 p.m. How could someone show up for an international flight 10 minutes before departure? Weeks later, I spoke with an in-charge flight attendant, and he told me that the flight attendant gave the seat to their friend and I got hosed. So I sat on a 14-hour flight in the bulkhead row, with a solid metal between the seats to support the food tray and video screen. The lavatory was right across the aisle from where I was sitting, and the lineup of people waiting to use the restroom was right at my knees. What a pleasant smell while I was on a long-haul flight. This isn't the first time this happened to me. I've been bumped from first class various times for the selfish advantage of moving a flight attendant's pal or relative to my seat. Those people don't realize that I've worked a long day. I am an airline employee and I've complained to management, but no one seems to care about suffering while someone's mom or friend gets pampered.